Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to autoplay your Google Slides presentation. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you'll be able to create your presentation. As you can see here guys, I have already created a presentation right here, and here I have some slides that I'm using for my presentation. I have my second slide with some text on it, my first slide, and now I want to go ahead and start the presentation, but I want to go ahead and make it autoplay, so I do not have to click every time I wanted to move to another slide. So guys, how do you do it? Well, it's very easy, and I'm going to be showing you right now how to. The first thing you want to do guys is go right here in the upper right corner and start your presentation. You can either start it in a slideshow or in the presenter view if you want to see your speaker notes while presenting. But we do not want to do that guys now. What I want to do is go ahead and start it in a slideshow. So go ahead and click on slideshow guys, and as you can see now this will open up our presentation in full screen, and we can now start in presenting it. As you can see, every time I click now guys, it will go to another slide, and after I'm done I can just exit out and that's it. But guys, if we go back and start the slideshow again, now we can go back to this previous slide, to this first slide, and we want to put our mouse right here at the lower bottom corner right here. We want to click these three dots right here. This will open up the menu where we have multiple options, and we want to select this autoplay option right here. And here guys, you can select how often you want your slides to translate. I'm going to select every 5 seconds. And after selecting 5 seconds guys, now we can go ahead and click on play. And as you can see here guys, I will not be clicking anything, but the slides will transfer automatically to the other slide. So you can see here guys, now it will go every 5 seconds to another slide, and you can select whatever option suits you the most. But yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.